Lesson 2. Hardware and Software. A computer is an electronic machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer system are hardware, software. Hardware. The parts of computer that you can touch or feel are called its hardware. It includes the physical parts of the computer. Some parts of a computer, such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc., are visible to us. The devices which are attached externally to the CPU box through wires are called peripheral devices. On the other hand, some parts of a computer are present inside the CPU box like motherboard, hard disk, CPU chip, CPU fan, memory, etc. Computer hardware is further classified into 4 types: input, processing, storage, and output devices. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and commands into the computer. Let us discuss about some of the commonly used input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device that is used to enter data and instructions into the computer. The standard keyboard has 104 keys. There are different types of keys on the keyboard, such as alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, etc. Mouse. A mouse is another important input device that is connected to the CPU box using a cable. It has 2 buttons, left mouse button and right button, with a scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. It is also known as a pointing device because it is used to point at objects on the screen. When a mouse is moved on the mouse pad, a pointer moves in the same direction on the screen. We can perform the following 4 mouse actions using a mouse: left click, right click, double click, and drag and drop. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that can read the pictures and text on a paper and translate it into computer's language. It scans the text or an image on a paper and converts it into electronic form that can be stored in a computer. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. You can point, select, and move items on the screen by touching them with your finger. The touchscreen acts as both input as well as output device. You can see touchscreens in smartphones, tablets, ATMs, and laptops. Microphone. A microphone is an input device used to record your voice and any other sound into the computer. It also helps you to talk to your friends over the internet. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the processing device of a computer. It processes data and instructions given by the user. It also controls all the input, output, and storage devices. That is why it is known as the brain of the computer. A CPU is made up of 3 main parts or units. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. This unit is responsible for performing all arithmetic as well as logical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparing 2 numbers, etc. Control Unit, CU. This unit controls and manages the working of all the parts of the computer. Memory Unit, MU. This unit stores data and instructions that are to be processed and passed on to ALU and CU. Storage devices. In everyday life, we use many storage places to keep our things such as cupboard, bookshelf, etc. Similarly, the computer uses multiple devices to store data permanently. This data can be opened anytime later. Let us study about some of them. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of a computer which stores all the data on the computer. It stores a huge amount of data and information. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. CD, DVD. A CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. These two are round, shiny discs used to store software applications, data files, songs and video files. A DVD can store much more data than a CD. Pen drive. Pen drive, also known as a flash drive, is a small, portable storage device. This is the most commonly used storage devices these days, which is used to transfer data from one computer to another. It is an easy-to-carry and handle device. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the result obtained after input and processing. Some of the commonly used output devices are discussed as follows. Monitor. A monitor or the computer screen looks like your TV screen. It is an output device that displays everything we do on the computer. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit, as it shows the output and the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. The output displayed on the monitor is called the soft copy. CRT monitor, LCD monitor, LED monitor. Printer. A printer is an output device that is used to take the printout of your work on a sheet of paper. The printed copy of the output is called the hard copy. You can print your drawings and documents. There are different types of printers, namely dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are also output devices. These are used to listen to music and any other sound on a computer. They can be wired or wireless. Computer software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a particular task. For example, MS Excel, MS Paint, MS Word, and so on. There are mainly two types of software. Application software, which is a set of one or more programs designed to solve a specific problem or perform a specific task. For example, Microsoft Paint, Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Word, Calculator, etc. System software, which manages to control all functionalities of computer. It acts as an interface between user and hardware. Windows, Unix, Linux, and Mac OS are all kinds of operating systems. Quick recap. Computer hardware is mainly the electronic and physical parts found in the computer system. The devices which are attached externally, the CPU box, through wires are called peripheral devices. Computer hardware is further classified into 4 types: input, processing, storage, and output devices. Input devices are used to enter data and commands into the computer. Some of the commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen, and microphone. The CPU is the processing device of a computer. It processes data and instructions given by the user. A CPU is made up of 3 main units: ALU, CU, and MU.